One end of the USB adapter cable is connected to the COM port of the instrument. Plug one end of the power cord into the instrument. Water inlet connects the instrument. Drainage connects the instrument. Connect the instrument to the USB port on the other end. Insert dongle. After the accessories are installed, turn on the instrument power. Main program installation. Serial driver installation. At this point, the instrument installation is completed. Open the software in the sample list. Right-click to create a new project. Double-click to create a new project. Click the Connect button and then the Background button. When the number of records is 0, the communication port needs to be set. Open the Communication Settings panel and refresh the window. Try the serial port selection of sampling port and control port. Then click the Connect button and then the Background button. When the number of records is updated, the communication port is set up. Create project, connect the device, and check the background. Open the control panel and click the Fill button. The instrument sample barrel begins to fill with water. After water is filled, click the Debubble button. The instrument sample barrel begins to release bubbles. When the bubble removal is completed, click the file name, Auto Alignment. In the Auto Alignment panel, click Connect to perform automatic centering operation. The basis for whether alignment is required is, generally the detection light intensity is around 4000, and the first ring is not higher than 1000, then alignment is not required. If the above requirements are not met, alignment operations are required. Centering is divided into automatic centering and manual centering. Automatic centering is to click the upper left corner directly after connecting. When the software displays automatic alignment completed, it means the alignment is complete. After the adjustment is completed, close the automatic centering panel, and then click the Connect button and the Background button in sequence. At this point, the instrument is automatically aligned. Connect the device and check the background. Open the Information Setting panel. Open the Control panel and click the Fill button. After water is filled, click the Debubble button. After the air bubbles are removed, turn on the Circulate and Ultrasonic buttons. Click the Background button again and activate the Energy Spectrum Test button. Shake the supplied 30-micron standard sample evenly and drop it into the sample bucket. After the data stabilizes, click to save the data. Stop saving data. Open the control panel and close the circulate and ultrasonic buttons. Click the flash button. Click the rinse button. Select more than 10 pieces of stable data to calculate the average. Observe the D50 value of the left analysis result and fill it into the system calibration panel. Create project. Connect devices, set sample information. Open the control panel and click the Fill button. After water is filled, click the Debug button. After the air bubbles are removed, turn on the circulate, ultrasonic, and disperse buttons. Click the background button again and activate the energy spectrum test button. Sample display, disperse samples. Add sample. After the data stabilizes, click to save the data. Stop saving data and close the circulate, ultrasonic, disperse buttons. Click the flash button. Click the rinse button to proceed to the instrument for cleaning. Click on the test data to open the data panel. Select more than 10 sets of stable data and calculate the average. View the test report, test completed. Create project, connect the device, and check the background. Set the sample information and click Start to open the automatic test function. In the automatic mode, the instrument automatically completes the preparation work without manual intervention. The instrument preparation is completed, and the prompt to add the sample pops up. Sample display. Add sample. Click Confirm to start testing. LN automatic mode, the instrument automatically tests samples. The test is over, the data is processed in the foreground, and the device is automatically cleaned in the background. Automated testing will automatically generate average values, or select artificially generate average. Select more than 10 pieces of stable data and perform averaging processing. Turn on the Print Preview button to view the data report. Reports can also be saved in other formats. For detailed explanation, please refer to the Equipment Instruction Manual or consult Winner after-sales engineer. Thank you again for purchasing Micro Nano Instruments.